Me? Okay. Now I think you are a little bit bored. So don't worry. We will talk about the how you can go abroad. So have you any your dream country where you want to study? Apart from the India. So I love to tell you about the two things. One is the entrepreneurship and the second is the how you can study abroad free of cost, which is more important. Okay. Before that, I love to tell you about our startup with the name of the Dots. Dots is the digital optimized and tenacious solutions where we deal in the three services. One is the education service, second is the IT solutions, information and technology solutions, and the third one is the research and development, where we launch every time after some month or quarter month some new product of the company. Okay, innovation type. So here you can know what is Dots. Okay, I will tell you three things for you. The first, what right now I am doing. Second, how I come and grow this startup, how I approach. And third, the important one, how you can also do it. I hope so you want to do and become the founder and CEO of your own company instead of going in someone else's company. Okay, so Dots is a platform where you can connect to the international mentors. Okay, but for what? To do the live projects. Just Deepak and Bhaskar have said you are doing the railway management project, bank management. So you are not need to do such type of the project. You will get such project which is doing in a company or like the Edward. Okay, Edward is the company of the France. Okay, and the other company, Adventure, the other company of the France, and the Canadian company. Mentors who is sitting over here will teach you. Okay, how? Through the dashboard. Be our dashboard through which you can got the lectures. Now the main thing is in your mind, do these lectures are recorded video or something else? So move ahead. So let's talk about the mentors. These are the mentors. Now who are the mentors? Mentors are those who have completed the masters, those who are doing the research in particular lab of the Paris, France, or the Canada, Australia, anywhere across the globe. Okay, or they are the employee in multinational companies. Okay, these are the mentors. So here Dots come in scenario to solve your problem, because once you complete the third year, you still don't know what you can do when you enter in the enterprise or the corporate world, because you have not done any such project which you can show in your CV or resume. This is the unique one. You have the global experience. Okay, so here Dots help you. We have the tie-up with some universities through which we are bringing some mentors. Okay. Here the students are coming from all over the India, from different universities, like you also from CU. So once students coming from all over the world, they got connected to the Dots. Okay, to visiting our website and fill the form. And these are the different universities, and you can see our locations from where mentors are coming, like the Japan, Canada. And these are the two forms. One is the mentor form and one is the student form. So you need to go for the mentor form. So here mentors and the student both have came on our dashboard. Project got assigned to the student. Now their schedule will be started for the 4 to 8 weeks, depend on the time of the project. Okay, and project will be given 3 hours per week, Saturday and Sunday, because the mentors are mostly free on the Saturday and Sunday. This is the dashboard, what I was talking. So you can see over here, there is I am saying there is no video lecture, so there is the Skype appointment. You can click on the Skype appointment. You can take the appointment from the mentors. That particular time I want on the Saturday. I want to do this particular 1.5 hours. Because I love to tell you one thing. What is the time right now? 3:30. Okay. In the France, the time will be 3.30 minutes before. So it will be 12 afternoon over there. But I will talk about the Australia. The time will be 4.5 hours ahead. So it will be time in the Australia will be 4:08 p.m. Okay. So you need to manage how you can take the appointment from the mentors. Go AI material, everything you will got the online. Go ahead. So mentors and the both are connected. Now how we are different from them? We have done no video lectures, teamwork, corporate, internship and job opportunity also for the abroad and the space for the study in college and university and the labs. Additional advantage, you will got the connection and the network in abroad. Okay, France, Canada, Australia, USA, Japan, UK and every place where you can have someone who you can know and he also know you. Okay, so you can little bit make your network over there and in future you can do what you want to do. Over the global exposure and especially the one thing is I got the Charpak Exchange Scholarship through which I would study in France for 1 year. Okay, first for the first semester and second for the second semester. So everything was paid by the government of the France. It cost, if you anyone go privately, it cost for the 1 year approx 10 to 12 lakh. Okay, so the point I want to make over here, to go abroad you don't need any money. Okay, you need talent. Okay, if you have the talent, you can go abroad and study because government is there to sponsor you. So these are the after the education services, these are the IT services, the second sector in which we are dealing, which is the IT information and technology. We have to mobile application, Android and iOS, IT services, software development, web development, every type of the services we are providing. Here in the research and development, we have some platform remote farming, virtual robotics using AI. Join us, you can join us also. What I will little bit tell you one innovation we are doing, working on, is the remote farming. Okay. So what is the remote farming? You have any question? Yes. You have any question? If you have, you can ask me. Don't ask to them because I am explaining you. Okay. If you have any idea, you can pitch me. Okay. Getting my point? So this is what remote farming we are doing. In remote farming, we are controlling the farmhouses using the Android phone. Okay. With the help of that, we are inbuilt the Raspberry Pi kit and the sensor head in the remote area, like the farmhouses. For that, we also apply for the patent, and let's see when we got grant for it. So our client, we have the 7 students accounted in France. We also help the student to find the accommodation. 15 IT solutions client in national and international France and Canada and India. We have 2 intern and 3 startups supported by us, and 13 students who got work on live project with the foreign mentors. And our offices, we are dealing in the France, Canada, Australia, okay, and India as well. This is our turnover, what we have done till now. Till now, we have made the very important thing for you, I hope. 4.1 lakh we have made that till now, and then September end we are targeting the 9.5. In the December 30 we have the 25 lakhs, and after the financial year we are targeting the 70 lakhs. And these are the achievements what we have done. You can see we are certified from the UK, Ottawa, and we are certified MSME in Indian MC Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And you can see the Chancellor sir and the Deputy Commissioner of the Mohali and Assistant Deputy Commissioner arrived to visit our office also. Okay, and this is our office. You can see. Move forward. And these are the board of directors. You can see over Mr. Sumit Paya sir and the Rajat Walia also, and our team members. One more opportunity for you. Move away. One more opportunity for you. What I can say, we also help the CU student if they want to come. They can come to our office and work as a volunteer. Okay, and for final year, third year student, we are also offering the internship, and we are starting paying for them also on the basis of their skills. So you can make the money in being in CU. Okay, back. This is my personal achievement. When I was in France, I got the chance to meet the Prime Minister of the France. This is the Mr. Edouard Philippe. He invited me on the seminar, or you can say conference subjected to education, where every Indian delegate can present their view. So I was selected to represent the India in that particular conference. Okay, over here I visited the Saffron. Saffron is just like the NASA of the America. Saffron is the same in the France. This is the Aerospace and Defense Center. And the third one, again you can see that it is also important one. I went in the Paris for the Viva Hackathon. Where I got the chance to meet with the founder of the Facebook, Mr. Zuckerberg. Okay, these all are the achievements. Move forward. Move forward. These are our directors. Move forward. This is the important one. Now you can join our company in three forms. First is the freelancer, internship, team members, and the volunteers also. Okay, and you can come to our office. Our office is in Block 3A, TVI cell, cabin number 4. Dots. You can come over there. Move forward. Excuse me. And one more thing, if you are in the paid, don't worry, you can make the adventure also. I was over there for 1 year and visit the 12 countries. So don't worry, in the startup you have the struggle for the 2 years. But after 2 years you are the boss and you are the founder. Okay, or the CEO. Now any question you can ask me.
We will ask the question after second because of shortage.
questioning करनी है।
Thank you.